Just trying to prepare myself the best way I can for this 9-degree weather I'm about to go out in. Hey y'all, it's Vlogmas. It's day 24 and I'm taking y'all with me as I travel on Christmas Eve from Atlanta to DC. Let's see what these airport lines are looking like. Let's see what Atlanta airport been talking about, because there's been a lot of talks about long wait lines. I do have clear and TSA pre-check, so we'll see. That line the line usually be tweaking anyway. But I checked on the ATL.com, the wait times, and it said TSA pre-check was like 2 minutes. So we'll see. Y'all, it's 9 degrees. This is nuts. Hopefully it ain't too many people traveling. Hopefully they're already where they need to be. And you know, my mom asked me yesterday, she was like, oh, do you have gloves? And I was like, no, I don't. And now I'm feeling like I should. So these after Christmas sales, your girl's gonna go ahead and buy her a pair of gloves. I was gonna try to put on jeans, but it's not an option right now. So I'm gonna put on leggings and sweatpants. And I got on a pair of biker shorts. I just doing my best here, y'all. Doing my best to stay warm. Okay, y'all. Bracing myself for going outside, which I ain't really gonna be outside that much. Going from my house to the car, from car to the shuttle, from the shuttle to the inside the airport. Dramatic. I got the Timbs out. We're gonna try to keep these feet warm, even though I got on thin socks, but that's another story. All right, y'all, here goes the moment of truth. No, okay, well, let me just hurry up. I ain't gonna hold you, my car, that did have a little bit of a hard time cranking on up, okay? Let me just show y'all something. This a water bottle I had in my car. Do you know what that water is? It's frozen. I was kind of thirsty too. So I wanted to put some lotion on my hands, right? This lotion that I got in my car, but the lotion's frozen, y'all. So we're just gonna try another option. I am here at the airport. I ain't gonna hold you, there's a lot of cars out here. There's a lot of cars. Hopefully, most of them are picking up. You can only hope. Because at Atlanta airport, there's no difference between arrivals and departures. It's all, you're driving in the same direction, so. Whew, y'all. Let's see. It actually feels good because I was on that shuttle bus and it was hot. So it feels good being outside for it. Just a little bit. Just a little bit. So y'all, fix my nose ring. They delayed my flight. It's supposed to leave at 11:10. Now it's leaving at 12:22. Look, I got places to be today. Me and my brother got to go on some vegan food trips. I'm just like chilling because I got like so much downtime until it's time to board my flight. Like I haven't even gone through security yet because just taking my sweet old time, which is great. Like I can walk as slow as I want. I say Delta, it's a little crowded up here. I ain't gonna hold you. Delta looking a little busy. The security lines don't look bad. They be lying on Instagram. There was this video of like this super long line supposedly at Atlanta airport. It was like going to the outside of the building. I don't see that here. Yeah, I definitely have way too much time on my hands because why am I doing interviews in the airport for Fox News? I don't even watch Fox News. This is what happens when you have too much time and you feel like talking, and I usually don't. But today, as this flight is delayed, I got time. There's no line here. Nothing really going on. This is gonna be real quick. I was in and out in less than 3 minutes. So less than 3 minutes, I got through security. Y'all, I'm actually hot. I'm actually hot, and I'm actually questioning whether I put on enough deodorant or not. Imagine if I was like actually running for my flight. I'd be having a heat stroke. I'll be having a whole heat stroke, y'all. So thank God I got here earlier than need be. I usually like to get to the airport like maybe within 30 minutes of boarding time. But I was like, oh, let me come early, because they acting like Atlanta airport is just so busy. And it's not. And I have a delay. Hopefully I meet a nice young gentleman. So let me get on my phone and keep myself alert. It is now hour in, getting ready to board my flight. I was able to sit down, charge my phones, watch this Breakfast Club interview. I'm tired. I'm ready to get to DC. I am hungry. I'm very hungry right now. The plane that we're on, they just deplaned the people that were already on the plane, and now we're just waiting to board. So just being patient here. Excited to get to DC. Alright, y'all, so I made it to DCA. Short flight, it's like an hour and some change, maybe like 15 minutes or so. So it's a nice short flight. Now I'm just waiting on my baggage. I mean, it's a little busy out here. Now, I've traveled on New Year's Eve before. This is my second time, third, maybe fourth. And it's usually not this busy. So this Christmas Eve is busier than normal. So let's see how long it takes me to get my bag, child. So now they done moved us from one baggage claim to another, and now the carousel is jammed. So you know, this is what happens when there's a storm. Stuff gets crazy. Not enough people working. It's wild out here, y'all. After waiting 45 minutes for my bag, I was at one baggage claim waiting. They told us to go to another one. Bags from Atlanta, they start coming out. You got a solid about 10 to 15 bags come out. Then the carousel gets jammed. So the lady, she grabbed one bag. She said, all right, I'm gonna call a tech. The tech come, he grabs a few bags, then he leaves out. And then she says, it's gonna take another 15 minutes to get this fixed. But that's like almost an hour waiting for a bag. Why y'all ain't travel earlier this week? Because y'all was off this week. I seen y'all on these streets. So y'all were off this week, so why didn't y'all travel earlier this week? Well, I ended up finally getting my bag after almost an hour. Cool. Me and my brother went to some vegan spots. Make sure y'all subscribe to my channel because I am doing a DC vegan vlog tour. So if you're not subscribed, go ahead and subscribe to my channel. And now we're at the grocery store. My mom needed some butter beans because she's making some oxtail tomorrow. So the day continues on. I gotta go see my parents. Stay tuned. All right, y'all. So I'm at my brother's house. I'm finally settled in. Whew. Glad to be done with all these Christmas Eve travels. Now I'm about to relax. My mom is watching Lupin, and my dad's on the computer. They're not paying me any mind, even though it took me so long to get over here. Anyways, thank y'all so much for tuning into today's video. I'll see y'all tomorrow. You'll get to meet the family and see what we do on Christmas Day. Peace.